What's up, guys, and welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. It's PJ's vlog. Yeah.
So I just got done with a run. Tired, but I've been meaning to make this video for over a week now. Overdue by a week. Class is fogging up. That's okay. So last video I talked about my apprenticeship, developer apprenticeship coming to an end soon, or like me finding out about the outcome of it, if I was going to be offered a job or not, and kind of put it off for a week. Got busy. I just came back from vacation with my wife, which was much needed for both her and I. But yeah, now I'm back, and it's time to tell you guys about the verdict, I guess, of my developer apprenticeship. So it happened about 2 weeks ago on Tuesday. I got called in to meet with my developer manager and the president of the company as well. And basically, I came in the room, just us three, and they asked me basically like, how did I think I did over the course of the apprenticeship so far? And I basically told them the truth of what I was feeling. I felt like I was able to hit the ground running from day one. I was literally contributing to the code base on day one, like I said in my video about my first day at the job. And then from there on, I was able to like really put a lot of effort into, helping push the projects forward that I was working on. And I also said I demonstrated that I could work well with other developers there, and that I could also communicate well with the clients. And lastly, I also was able to convey my eagerness to learn other technologies. So that's pretty much what I said, boiled down. And after like a pause of silence after I was done talking, they said they agreed, and they offered me the job. So, give me a second. Class is so foggy. Anyway, so yeah, I accepted the job offer, and the apprenticeship ends this month, the end of this month, and my first day at my new salary will be October 1st. So that's super exciting. Very happy about it. And I just want to talk about the feedback that they gave me, that they said was really key skills and key like kind of attitudes to have when trying to work for an agency like this, like what's it called? A consulting agency. There you go. I guess quick note on that, if you guys don't know, I mentioned it before, but consulting agencies, they work for other companies, and they basically take their ideas and their projects and they bring them to life through web development, as opposed to other agencies who have their own set product and they just work on that continually try to progress that, push that forward, and they just stick with one project, for the most part, or one like code base, and just continually improve it. And agencies work with many different code bases, many different clients. It's a little higher pace, I think. A lot of people get burned out from it as well. So that's kind of a little rundown of the differences. So yeah, 3 kind of big takeaways that my manager, my developer manager gave me on why they felt comfortable offering me a job. The first thing was that I was able to contribute to the code base. I knew Ruby, I knew Rails, and this company has a lot of Rails projects, and I was able to hit the ground running and contribute to those from day one. And they felt that that's something that they need right now. I mean, they always need somebody who can contribute either immediately or soon after and just pick up things quickly. So that leads me to the second thing. They saw that I had a really good attitude to learn things, to kind of push myself to be flexible and learn new technologies as different projects arise, which is also really important in consulting agency life, I guess. You're always learning new projects, you're always learning new frameworks and technology, like web development technologies. You have to jump around a lot, all these different, little like Ruby gems or whatever. Just always new things you have to learn, pick up pretty quickly, and put into production. And I demonstrated that I was if not able, I was at least willing to do that and to try. I actually started learning Elixir and Phoenix. So Elixir is a programming language, and Phoenix is a web development framework built on Elixir, kind of like Ruby is to Elixir as Rails is to Phoenix. So yeah, that is another big thing. And then the final thing was I was able to communicate really well, I think, with both my coworkers as we paired on projects and developed together. And I was able to receive feedback well and improve quickly on the code I was writing based on their feedback. And also I was able to communicate with the clients effectively. I was actually able to start kind of running one of the stand-ups with the clients, one of the clients I was working with. So we had like maybe 2 or 3 times a week I would meet with the clients via WebEx, Hangouts, whatever, Skype. And we would just talk about what I'm doing on the project, what kind of updates I have, what kind of feedback that I have for me. And then we would just go on from there and just continually receive feedback, continually implement the feedback, make changes, and then just keep pushing the project forward. So I was able to do that effectively, and that was something that my president and my boss, director, manager, saw was really valuable. And that was a big, I think, factor in why I got a job offer. So yeah, that is my update, guys. So far everything's going well. I'm still pushing myself to learn new things. I'm learning Elixir still, Phoenix. I actually just finished up the Phoenix Elixir Bootcamp on Udemy by Stephen Grider. It's pretty good. I'm actually gonna go now and do my own project on my own. Just like a little dinky, I don't know, probably another similar Reddit clone, but something a little bit different. But push myself to do it all on my own, to apply the knowledge and really instill the knowledge that I have gained, sort of. I'm like at 70% retention, but I have a long way to go to like actually be able to use it effectively on a day-to-day basis. I'm also going back and just looking at the Elixir documentation, just getting a better understanding of like pattern matching, and also I'm going to look at the Phoenix framework documentation too to like figure out all, like the control flow of all the data and all that stuff from the views and controllers. And now they have these things called context instead of models. So that's a big difference in my head, and I have to kind of grasp that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So far so good, guys. I do want to start making, I want to make another video soon about just like Flatiron again. I saw they'd made some changes for good or for bad, and I also want to kind of, now that I have a full-time job offer that I'm planning on staying at for a while, I want to kind of make a big recap of like where I've come so far since quitting my job as a mechanical engineer and going through Flatiron up to this point of getting a full-time job offer as a web developer. Anyway, thanks guys, thanks for watching, hope you guys are doing well. Keep the questions coming. Good luck to all you guys who are in Flatiron curriculum right now, and all you guys who are going to be in that soon, or just anybody who's learning web development. Super fun. It's a great industry, I think. And yeah, thanks for the support, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.